Hello and welcome to Come Look, your daily dose of the Cincinnati Art Museum. I'm Zohreh, a docent at CAM, and for today's discussion I have picked the fountain of the Water Nymph. Have you ever passed by a fountain and tossed a coin in it, or glanced to see if there is any coin in it? Have you ever wondered why we do this? In the old times, clean fresh water was not as easy to obtain. Many cultures believed by gifting something they consider valuable to the water source will keep its spirit and protector happy, ensuring abundance, health, and fertility, which is an important wish. Thus, through the years, the tossing of a coin into a fountain or well became tradition. The nymphs are minor goddesses, and some of them are in charge of protecting the waters. The fresh water nymphs, known as naiads, were depicted as beautiful young women, usually seated, standing, or reclining beside a spring, stream, river, or lake. Our nymph, who is three-dimensional and not a relief, is the highlight of this architectural faience. In 1913, the famous Rookwood Pottery Company in Cincinnati asked Clement Barnhorn, the skilled sculptor who worked at Rookwood as an artist, to sculpt a wall fountain. This beautiful fountain, being approximately 7.5 feet high and 5.5 feet wide, weighing over 4,000 pounds, was displayed in the Rookwood showroom for several decades. When in 1960, Rookwood closed its Cincinnati plant, Robert Wackendorf bought the fountain, which was already dismantled and stored, for his bowling establishment, Losantiville Lanes, which opened in 1961. Thankfully, the tiles were numbered and the task of putting it together was less difficult as feared. There it was on display for another 30 years till the lanes were sold. The new owner converted the place into a Hebrew day school. The fountain was removed and sold to Wooden Nickel Antiques. There it was on display in a front window for about a year. Anita Alice, the chief curator of the museum at that time, saw it and made sure this piece comes to the museum. That happened in 1993. Did you know that nymphs could have a relationship with mortal men? Is he paying any attention to her? What is happening here? Have you noticed the purple grapes? Grapes are a symbol of abundance, fertility, and transformation. They bring to mind Dionysus and Bacchus, the Greek-Roman gods of wine and fertility. Did you know Dionysus wore a purple robe and was the child of a god, Zeus, and a mortal Semele? If you had to tell a story based on this fountain, what would that be? Would it be by any chance a love story? Come and see it in Gallery 126 and share your story with us. Thank you.